To install the Fit4 4-in-1 car seat with latch in the rear-facing position, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Next, place the Fit4 on your vehicle seat in rear-facing position. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle and that the base is flat on the vehicle seating surface. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble falls between the two lines for rear-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed 3 inches. Now, locate the latch connector storage compartments and remove the latch connectors. Make sure the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First and the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second are loosened to their full length. Grab both ends of the latch straps and slide them into the rear-facing belt path opening indicated by the blue text. Close both latch connector storage compartments. Locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the anchor bars. Pull up on the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First to tighten and remove the slack. Then pull down on the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second to secure the Fit4 in place. Hold the Fit4 at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or from side to side. Make sure the bubble is in between the two lines for the appropriate rear-facing stage. If necessary, loosen the latch straps, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the Fit4 is installed properly.